Good morning. It is the next day. I tried to do heatless curls, but I didn't sleep so well in them, so they didn't really hold. We got our filter coffee. It's right here. She is very, very good filter coffee, which Caroline and I were very, very surprised by. She just went to get cash. Caroline got an anti-inflammatory juice. Good. And today the program, we slept in a bit. We went to a party last night with the other hostels, which was really nice. This whole community at this hostel I really like, you know, the time with all the girls and everything. So cool. Today we are going to go explore Ubud a little bit more, walk to like the temples, to see like what on the markets, like what they offer and stuff like that. So it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. We love that. Can't wait. It just rained. We found a shelter, but now we're out again. And the palace is this right here. And now we're just walking along the street market, trying to see what they offer, and then maybe stop at some cute cafes. We found a cafe that sells like everything is coconut, so Carol's paradise.
Yes, it is.
Is it good?
Yeah. That's the shit. Alright. Taste test.
Taste test.
Nice. Chef's kiss.
Liquid. So good. What are we doing?
What are we doing? We're about to do a cacao ceremony
Amazing.
where we drink cacao and
Yeah.
have a spiritual awakening is
That's-
what I've been told is the plan. But it's
that
also
sounds-
avoiding the monkeys. They're up there.
The monkey's up there. Wait, let me
Yeah, get the monkey.
get the monkey. Hi, monkey.
Huh. It's gonna
Are
be
you
great.
excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Yay.
Kind of. Let's do it.
Okay, it's gonna
I'm
start.
not ready for this though. I'm like, I went to see the waterfall, so I'm like,
Oh, how was it?
oh, amazing. It's good. On the back of scooters, scary. Wouldn't recommend doing it yourself. but
Okay.
It was good.
All right. Maridi, 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 maridi.
Ooh, sure. Thank you. You're so sweet.
So cool. It looks
Cheers,
so good.
man.
Yum. Oh, this is so cute. This is so nice. Thank you girls for being supportive.
Such a good, yeah. And then I want to stay.
We just got a friendship bracelet. Yay!
Well,
is it? I don't know. But it's called the Tree Datsu. Yeah. Yeah.
Very
Yes.
Move to the front, get far. Inhale, right hand all the way up. Facing up, look at the right fingers. Turn your chest up to the sky. Exhale, insert the right hand all the way down under your left armpit. Okay, all the way until your right shoulder rests on the floor. Left back. Repeat the breath again in the downward facing dog. Elbow in the highest position, head in the lowest position. Again, balance power in your arm, head down. Exhale. Inhale, then step your left foot across to the back of left hand.
We're here. Finally. Look at that. We're gonna take our pictures and then maybe go a bit to the front for a swim. But it looks stunning. It's so beautiful. Oh yeah, it's super long. Do you want to hear it?
Yes, actually.
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทราอยุธยามหาดิลกภพนพรัตน์ราชธานีบุรีลมอุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถานอมรพิมานอวตารสถิตสักกัทยาวิษณุกรรมประสิทธิ์ Yeah, that's the actual name of my car. No, it's not used. You just say กรุงเทพ Yeah.
Not Bangkok, but Busan.
Yeah, Thai people will say กรุงเทพ Yeah, sang it as a song in school, so that's how they got us to memorize it.